friends, and welcome back. Let me start by saying how much I enjoyed driving alongside this beautiful sunset to Seattle International Airport on a trip that I took back in March 2021. And yes, I know I could have uploaded way earlier, but let's say a thing or two get in the way. Anyways, I'm making my way back home with Alaska Airlines, and most importantly, I'll finally be able to experience their famous lounge at SeaTac. Grab some JMO and enjoy this video. For some reason, I thought I was already in the North Terminal, so I walked to this lounge that was already closed. It was near gate D or C, I don't quite remember. Maybe I shouldn't have waited so long to post this video.
Are the lounges open?
The only lounge that's open till 10 o'clock is our N lounge at the North Terminal.
How far is it from here?
N. It's right around, it's right, you have to get in the tree.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Doors closing. Please stand clear. Please hold on.
Alright folks, as we get near the Alaska Lounge in the North Terminal, let me remind you how impressed I was. The lounge had a very modern touch with plenty of space. Thankfully, my flight was a red-eye, so there wasn't really that many people in there. There was plenty of comfortable seating, great views that you'll definitely enjoy during a day flight, a good assortment of snacks, salads, wraps, hot chili, which was great, and most importantly, plenty of booze. So far, I've only tried the American and Alaska Lounge, and well, Alaska takes a trophy without a doubt. But before I forget, one thing I didn't see in the Alaska Lounge was showers. Maybe I missed it, or maybe they don't have any. But anyways, Alaska takes the trophy by 10 miles.
Thank you. Have a good night. Take care. Thank you very much. Have a good night. Take care.
Now, to get back to Gate S, I had to take, I believe, 3 trains. So, thankfully, I had plenty of time to spare, so I was able to make it to my gate without any delays.
Last call for standby passenger, last name Bull.
Hello.
Gene,
That's it. Thank you.
All right, let's continue with our passengers in Group A.
Hello.
Since this was a red-eye flight and I was very tired, I didn't do much recording during the flight. But I can tell you that Alaska Airlines does a great job at providing excellent customer service. One thing I have to say is that these seats are definitely comfortable for flights between 3 to 4, maybe 5 hour-ish. Since my flight was close to 6 hours and some change, I had to get up twice just to stretch out a bit. In a few seconds, you'll see that I decided to go for a sandwich for late dinner. It was actually good and I would recommend it. It was turkey with cheese, tomatoes, and some greens. You can also tell that I was tired because I didn't even bother ordering a beer or any sort of alcoholic beverage. I hope you guys are enjoying my videos, and I'm strongly considering opening a Patreon in order to keep these reviews going since they aren't cheap. Let me know what you guys think. Until next time.
Smooth flight tonight. There is a little bit of weather as we head down towards Oklahoma and Nebraska. So if you intend on sleeping tonight, please make sure you fasten your seatbelt. Or anytime you're seated in an aircraft, it's always a good idea to keep your seatbelt securely fastened. Once we get into Lauderdale in the morning, winds out at southwest at about 5 miles an hour, 10 miles visibility, 5,500 scattered, beautiful 78 degrees Fahrenheit. Got a fantastic crew in the back. They'll do everything they can to make sure we have a safe and smooth flight. And we'll keep the PAs up here to a bare minimum. We'll wake you up in the morning as we approach Lauderdale, give you an update on our arrival time and the weather on arrival. Just a quick reminder about those masks. Please help us with that. We'll get the other side of this pandemic real soon. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
Take the card out, follow along, pay special attention to the use of oxygen masks and life vests as we've modified our crew member demonstration due to health concerns related to COVID-19. Welcome to Fort Lauderdale. The local time is 7:35 a.m. Please keep your seatbelts on. Our pilots will turn off the seatbelt sign when it's safe to get up. Please leave your things where they are until we reach the gate. If your phone's closed, you can take it out of airplane mode. With our baggage service guarantee, your bags will be in baggage claim within 20 minutes of our arrival at the gate, or you'll receive a discount or miles towards a future flight.